Imagine pulling into a stunning lakeside campground, and instead of setting up a tent or squeezing into a cramped camper, you step into a luxury home on wheels that feels like a five-star hotel. That's exactly the experience the all-new 2027 BYD T5 motorhome is aiming to deliver. Built with cutting-edge electric technology, premium comfort, and a futuristic design, this motorhome is changing the way people think about road trips and adventure. If you've ever dreamed of traveling without sacrificing luxury, you're going to want to see what this incredible vehicle has to offer. At first glance, the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome immediately grabs attention with its sleek and modern appearance. Unlike traditional bulky RVs, this model features smooth aerodynamic lines, sharp LED lighting, and a bold front fascia that gives it a sophisticated look. Every detail appears carefully designed to improve efficiency while creating a premium presence on the road. Large panoramic windows provide excellent visibility while allowing natural light to flood the living area. Stylish alloy wheels, integrated storage compartments, and an elegant paint finish complete the upscale appearance, making this motorhome stand out, whether it's parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize this is much more than a camper. The cabin feels spacious, bright, and incredibly inviting. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, creating an atmosphere that rivals luxury apartments. The seating is plush and supportive, designed for long-distance comfort, while the living area offers plenty of room for relaxing after a full day of travel. A fully equipped kitchen includes modern appliances, generous countertop space, and smart storage solutions that make cooking on the road surprisingly convenient. The sleeping area is equally impressive, offering a comfortable bed with high-quality mattresses, soft lighting, and clever storage compartments that maximize every inch of space. The bathroom features a modern shower, stylish fixtures, and practical design elements that provide the comforts of home wherever your journey takes you. Advanced climate control keeps the interior comfortable in every season, while ambient lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for relaxing evenings. Technology is another area where the BYD T5 shines. A large digital touchscreen serves as the central command center, allowing drivers to control navigation, entertainment, lighting, climate settings, and vehicle information with ease. Wireless smartphone connectivity, premium audio, multiple USB charging ports, and smart home integration make every trip more enjoyable. Safety technology is equally impressive, with advanced driver assistance systems that include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a full suite of cameras that simplify parking such a large vehicle. Perhaps the biggest highlight is what's underneath. The 2027 BYD T5 motorhome is expected to feature BYD's latest electric powertrain technology, delivering smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet operation, and zero tailpipe emissions. Instant electric torque makes driving effortless even when fully loaded, while advanced battery technology promises extended driving range suitable for long-distance adventures. Fast charging capability helps minimize downtime, allowing travelers to spend more time exploring and less time waiting. Regenerative braking further improves efficiency by recovering energy during deceleration. Driving comfort has also been carefully engineered. The suspension system is designed to provide a smooth ride over highways and uneven roads alike, while the low center of gravity created by the battery placement helps improve stability. Even first-time motorhome drivers are likely to appreciate the responsive steering and confident handling. Although official pricing has not yet been confirmed, industry experts expect the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome to compete with premium electric RVs while offering exceptional value thanks to its advanced technology and luxurious features. If BYD delivers everything enthusiasts are expecting, this motorhome could become one of the most exciting electric recreational vehicles on the market. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country adventures, or full-time van life, the 2027 BYD T5 motorhome appears ready to redefine luxury travel for a new generation of explorers. So, would you choose this futuristic electric motorhome for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content.
When our good intentions only got in the way.